morning, dear students. Today we are going to revise the third lesson of our Flamingo book, Deep Water. So, be with me till the end of this video. Question first. What does YMCA stand for? YMCA का पूरा नाम क्या है? ऑप्शन ए यंग मैन्स क्रिश्चियन एसोसिएशन, बी यंग मैन्स क्रिश्चियन अथॉरिटी, सी यंग मैन्स क्रिश्चियन आर्मी और डी यंग मैन्स क्रिस्टोफर एसोसिएशन. The right answer is option A, Young Men's Christian Association. The writer's mother warned him against swimming in Yakima River because it had. लेखक की माँ उसे याकिमा नदी में तैरने बारे चेतावनी देती थी. क्यों? Because it had strong currents. B. It was only for boating. C. It was only for fishing. Or option D. Many people had drowned there. The right answer is option D, because many people had drowned there. Why did Douglas hate to walk with bare legs? डगलस को अपनी नंगी टांगें दिखाना क्यों पसंद नहीं था? ऑप्शन ए बिकॉज he had ugly looking legs, B. he had fat legs, C. because of skin color, or D. because of skinny legs. The right answer is option D, because of skinny legs. When the author was 3 years old, where did his father take him? जब लेखक 3 साल का था तो उसके पिता उसे कहाँ ले गए? ऑप्शन ए टू द थिएटर, बी टू ए कॉलेज, सी ए फार्म एंड डी द बीच इन कैलिफोर्निया. And the right answer is option D, the beach in California. When the author went to a beach with his father, why was he frightened? जब लेखक अपने पिता के साथ बीच पर गया तो वो डर क्यों गया? ऑप्शन ए he saw a whale, B. the waves knocked him down and swept over him, C. he saw a ship, and D. he saw a crocodile. The right answer is option B, the waves knocked him down and swept over him. This handicap stayed with me as the years rolled by. ये अपंगता मेरे साथ ही बनी रही जैसे जैसे साल गुजरे. What handicap is being referred? यहाँ लेखक किस अपंगता की बात कर रहा है? ऑप्शन ए fear of dark, option B fear of heights, C fear of water, and D fear of fishing. And the answer is option C, fear of water. When the author was 10 or 11 years old, what did he decide to learn? जब लेखक 10 या 11 साल का था तो उसने क्या सीखने का फैसला कर लिया? ऑप्शन ए टू स्विम, बी टू डांस, सी टू प्ले, एंड डी टू प्ले गिटार. And the answer is option A, he decided to learn to swim. What did the big boy do to the author? उस बड़े लड़के ने लेखक के साथ क्या किया? ऑप्शन ए he helped the author, B. he offered him ice cream, C. he threw the author into the pool, and D. he gave money to the author. And the answer is option C, he threw the author into the pool. The boy who threw Douglas into the pool was about. वो लड़का जिसने डगलस को तालाब में फेंका वो लगभग कितने साल का था? ऑप्शन ए 20 years old, B 18 years old, C 21 years old, and D 15 years old. And the answer is option B, he was about 18 years old. In the pool, 9 feet seems to Douglas like. उस पूल में वो 9 फीट डगलस को कितने लग रहे थे? ऑप्शन ए 90 फीट, बी 100 फीट, सी 50 फीट और डी 25 फीट. And the answer is option A, those 9 feet seems to him 90 feet. The water in the pool had a, जो पूल का पानी था वो कैसा था? It had a dirty yellow tinge, B a blue reflection, C it had green color or option no color. The answer is option A, the pool water had a dirty yellow tinge. Though Douglas was frightened, he was not. यद्यपि डगलस डरा हुआ था, फिर भी he was not. Option A, he was not afraid to die. B, he was not going to survive. C, he was not out of his wits. And D, none of these. And the answer is option C, he was not out of his wits. Douglas imagined that on hitting the bottom he would. डगलस ने सोचा कि जब वो पूल के तल पर पहुंचेगा तो वो क्या करेगा? ऑप्शन ए, he would bob to the surface like a cork. B, he would come up to the tab his water wings. C, he would lie flat and float up. And D, he would shout for help. And the answer is option A, he would bob to the surface like a cork. When Douglas tried to yell, जब डगलस ने चीखने की कोशिश की, ऑप्शन ए, everyone came to his rescue. B, no sound came out. C, his father arrived. Or option D, the lifeguard dived to save him up. The answer is option B, no sound came out. I crossed to oblivion and the curtain of life fell. What does oblivion mean? Oblivion का क्या अर्थ है? ऑप्शन ए pavilion, B changing room, C unconsciousness and D death. The right answer is option C, unconsciousness or not remembering. Why did Douglas cease all efforts? डगलस ने अपने आप को बचाने की सारी कोशिशें बंद क्यों कर दी? ऑप्शन ए, he felt as if he was going to become unconscious. B, he did not want to leave. C, he wanted to remain underwater. And D, he was already out of danger. The answer is option A, he felt as if he was going to become unconscious. Douglas experienced mixed feelings of confidence and fear in the chapter Deep Water. डगलस ने इस चैप्टर में आत्मविश्वास और डर दोनों फीलिंग्स को महसूस किया है. कब? ऑप्शन ए, when he was thrown into the pool, when he walked along the pool, C, when he went to the beach, or D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, when he was thrown into the pool. Where did Douglas find himself when he regained consciousness? जब डगलस को होश आया तो उसने अपने आप को कहाँ पाया? ऑप्शन ए, in a hospital, B, in a room, C. lying near the pool, or option D. near the seashore? The answer is option C. He was lying near the pool. After regaining consciousness that day, he होश में आने के बाद उस दिन डगलस ने क्या किया? ऑप्शन ए, he laughed at his experience. B, he had high fever. C, he shook and cried and did not eat anything. Option D, told his mother about his misadventure. The answer is option C. He shook and cried and did not eat anything. Why did Douglas hire an instructor? डगलस ने एक इंस्ट्रक्टर, एक कोच को क्यों हायर किया? ऑप्शन ए, टू ओवरकम हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर एंड लर्न स्विमिंग. बी, टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट. सी, टू compete with others. And D, none of these. And the answer is option A, to overcome his fear of water and learn swimming. With his hard work, Douglas had. अपनी मेहनत से डगलस ने क्या किया? ऑप्शन ए, conquered his fear of water. B, conquered Mount Everest. C, he got a good job. And D, he got a promotion. And the answer is option A, he conquered his fear of water. Now you can swim. अब तुम तैर सकते हो. These words were spoken by. ये शब्द किसने कहे? ऑप्शन ए, his father. B, his teacher. C, his uncle. And D, his instructor. And the answer is option D, his instructor. What was stopping Douglas to get into the waters of Cascade? वो क्या था जो डगलस को कैस्केड वाटर्स यानी झरनों में जाने से रोक रहा था? ऑप्शन ए, मेमोरीज ऑफ वॉशिंगटन. बी, मेमोरीज ऑफ टेरर इन द पूल. सी, memories of childhood. And option D, none of these. And the answer is option B, memories of terror in the pool. Douglas fear of water. डगलस के उस पानी के डर ने क्या किया? ऑप्शन ए, ruined his trips. B, made him extremely guilty. C, was not liked by friends. And D, made him weak. And the answer is option A, Douglas' fear of water ruined his trips. Where was the Lake Wentworth? Lake Wentworth कहाँ थी? ऑप्शन ए, न्यू हैम्पशायर. बी, वॉशिंगटन. सी, कैलिफोर्निया. एंड डी, वॉशिंगटन DC. The right answer is option A, it was in New Hampshire. What do you think you can do to me? तुम क्या सोचते हो? तुम मेरा क्या कर लोगे? These words were spoken by Douglas. Douglas ने ये शब्द किसे कहे? ऑप्शन A, to a shark. B, to his enemy. C, to the boy who pushed him. And D, to terror. And the answer is option D, to terror. उसने ये शब्द अपने डर को कहे. After swimming across to the other shore of Warm Lake, Douglas shouted with joy, and his voice was returned as an echo by. वार्म लेक के दूसरे किनारे तक तैर लेने के पश्चात डगलस ने खुशी से चीख मारी और उसकी आवाज कहां से टकराकर फिर से गूंजने लगी. ऑप्शन ए, गिलबर्ट पीक. बी, माउंट पीक. सी, ब्लू माउंटेन. एंड डी, एवरेस्ट पीक. And the answer is option A, Gilbert Peak. It wiped out fear. इसने डर को मिटा दिया. What is the meaning of this phrase in the chapter Deep Water? डीप वाटर में इस फ्रेज, इस वाक्यांश का क्या अर्थ है? ऑप्शन ए, इट लेसन्स फियर. बी, इट इंक्रीजेस फियर. सी, इट एलिमिनेट्स फियर. और डी, इट डीपन्स फियर. The answer is option C, it eliminates fear. How did Douglas make sure that he had conquered the old terror? डगलस को इस बात का यकीन कैसे हुआ कि उसने अपने पुराने डर को जीत लिया है? ऑप्शन ए, by visiting California. B, by jumping into the water. C, by taking a lesson from the instructor. Or D, by swimming into the Lake Wentworth. And the answer is option D, by swimming into the Lake Wentworth. What lesson did Douglas learn from his experience of drowning? डगलस को वो डूबने का जो अनुभव हुआ उससे उसने क्या सीखा? ऑप्शन ए, he learned swimming. B, love for swimming. C, swimming is not difficult. And D, to face the fear. And the answer is option D, to face the fear. All we have to fear is fear itself. किसने कहा? ऑप्शन ए, प्रेसिडेंट रूजवेल्ट. बी, प्रेसिडेंट क्लिंटन. सी, प्रेसिडेंट क्लीवलैंड. And option D, none of these. The right answer is option A, it was said by President Roosevelt. Deep Water is an excerpt from which book? Deep Water किस बुक से लिया गया हिस्सा है? ऑप्शन ए, फियर ऑफ वाटर. बी, ऑफ men and mountains. C, how to swim. And D, fearless. And the answer is option B, it is an excerpt from the book of Men and Mountains. Who wrote the lesson Deep Water? ये लेसन डीप वाटर किसने लिखा? ऑप्शन ए, विलियम डगलस. बी, विलियम ब्लेक. सी, विलियम सरोयान. एंड डी, विलियम जॉनसन. एंड द आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, इट वाज रिटन बाय विलियम डगलस. These were the multiple choice questions of the lesson Deep Water. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Goodbye.